So it shows that the app is related to pets. Good morning everyone and welcome. Are you all excited?
Yeah.
Okay. So to start with, I want you to imagine life of a busy pet owner. What he did. So he starts a day by walking his pet, then he rushed to office, and then suddenly during lunch he realized that he want a pet sitter for the weekend. So he browsed multiple apps for that. Then suddenly he realized that, oh, my dog's grooming is pending. So again he searched multiple apps and find a grooming service for his dog. So that's a big common problem for all pet owners. What if all the services will be there in one platform? So it will be easy for him. That's where Paul comes in. So Paul is an app where all the services are there under one platform, and that gives a convenience to user. So now we see what our agenda for this presentation is. So first we start with the problem statement, then product description, then persona, the demo of prototype we have created, the insights of user testing, and then possible UX improvements. So let's talk about the problem statement. So raising pets is a popular and rewarding hobby that offers companionship and joy. So as pet needs grow, so does the complexity of managing their care, and mostly people prefer online solution nowadays. However, finding all services on one platform is difficult, and it causes inconvenience by switching to multiple websites and apps. So this fragmented experience is very time consuming and inconvenient for all pet owners. Let's see what solution Paul provides. Paul aims to solve this problem, one-stop platform for all pet-related services and providing automatically filtered based on user profiles. So it provides a tailored experience for each user. This eliminates the need to visit multiple websites and apps. This makes a convenient website for all pet owners. Now, persona will be taken care by Arjun.
So, first persona is Rachel. She's a 29-year-old IT professionalist, and her father passed away who had a pet, and she had to take over the duties of taking care of his pet. And she faced different problems because she's a new to taking care of this pet, and she needed reliable information where she can access everything on one platform. She had to go to different apps, browse through them to know different information, get all the services, get them. And she needed to socialize with other pet owners to find about the events also. And she was frustrated because she didn't get any information from other platforms regarding the events and services. So that's where the code comes in. The prototype will be.
Now this is our main prototype. We are going to this. So, this is our splash page. So after that, we have to sign in or sign up. So we are usually go to the sign in, and then this is our home page. So in home page, looks like a social media page or something like that. You can share your pet's activities or other things, and you can see the nearby events or service provider posts in the app. So to be mentioned that we are designed this app as for the service provider as well on the side of the personal users. So we are now talking about the three main features of this app. So first we are going to create an event. So we directly go to the creating event. So in there was an event tab. We can go directly from there. We fill up the forms or event details. And then we can, if we don't want to create the event, we can discard. And if we want to create, then we can create that. This will be show a message. So you can see your event page here, or all of your event details, and you can edit the event if you need. So once you edit the event, you can update the event, and again you can see your event page to the publish to the, as much as you can, if you want, you can edit your event page. So that was the event part. So this is the event page where your event will be shown as a publicly. So now we are going to explore some services, which is in the service tab at the navigate bar. So here you can, over there you can also notice that event also in there, as well as other services is there. So now we are going to talk about the web services. So click on the web options. You can directly go to the web services here, and there was display so many service providers who are activated with this app. So you can search at the nearby web services as you need. So once you click this profile view, also you can see the proximity, how nearby he is, the distance of these hospitals or something like that. So if you click on this, there was a book appointment page. You can book the appointment with that, or you can go to the book appointment now. So there was a schedule, so you can confirm the appointment. So a confirmation mail will be sent in your mail with that. So you can also you can also see the reviews of the service provider, and you can directly message to that service provider as well by clicking the message icon. So that was actually our great options, and now other features we have to describe, which is chat. So you can chat with your friends as well as the service provider directly by clicking with the chat options, or you can also go to the service tab where you can find the chat option here. So you can chat with them. So that was our mainly 3 services with our prototype. Thank you.
Hi guys, so now let's get into user testing insights. So based on our user testing experience, some of the users told that the app was simple and it was straightforward, and all the information were clearly divided with that particular feature. So however, we got some negative feedback also saying that some features can be improved so that the users can have a better experience. So let's get into our first feature, which is chat. So as informed by Mashur, we have a chat feature that is directly he can use the chat icon as well as he can go through the services. So out of 6 users, 3 users were easily able to navigate by clicking on chat icon, whereas the other 3 users navigated through services and then went on to chat, and from there they accessed the chat section. And next, all the users were able to chat with the particular participants by clicking on the name of that particular profile. So they were able to make communication between each other. So, So our SUT rating was 6.16. So next feature is the event. So in this event feature, all the users were able to click on the services, and then they were able to navigate to the event section. So there were multiple events. So whichever the events the user wanted to go to, so he clicked on that particular event. So all the users were able to click on events, and he was getting this screen. And in this screen, only 3 users were able to join the event. That was mainly because the join event was not within the screen height. So we had to scroll down. So only 3 users were able to scroll up and see the join event button. So the SEQ rating was 6.33 for this feature. So next one, we have the web feature. So in this feature, again the user clicked on the services. So all the users were able to click on services and then navigate to the services screen. So in this services screen, again all the users were able to tap on the web section, and they were able to access the web details screen. So here all the users did a good job by booking the appointment. However, we got a rating of 5.83. So that will be explained like why we got those ratings later in the improvement sections. So next, I'll pass on to Teju to explain improvements.
So good morning everyone. Now let's move on to the UX improvement that we made after user testing. So first in the chat section, as Mashore explained, that we can chat by clicking on this icon, but some users couldn't identify that is it really a chat option, like it doesn't look like a chat. So we improved this icon by changing this, and now they can easily identify it's really a chat option. Like some users have to go to the service section to find the chat. So by changing this icon, they can identify that it is really a chat option. So firstly, we made this improvement in our chat section. So the next one is event feature. So in this section, we made 3 improvements. First of all, we add some more information, like how many people are joining this event. So it was not that there before, so we entered this data, like there will be any counter, will count how many people join this event, and it will show to the person who want to attend this event. So second improvement we made, that we adjusted the first it was like really big. User had to scroll down to find the join event button. So sometimes in some situation, user couldn't find that is there any button of join event, so they have to scroll down. So for this improvement, we shortened the height of the screen, like the join event button will be there without any scrolling. And the third improvement we made, we applied their chat option, so they can directly chat with the event organizer, and they can ask any question about the event there. So it was not there before. And in the web section, we got some low SEQ rating, so that's why we have to think about it, that what we can improve it. So for this, user want to get the direct location there. So it was not there before. So if they want to check whether this is nearby there, that they can get the direction, that how much far it is, but they have to identify that where it is, like location. So they have to go to the Google Maps to find this. But our agenda is to provide every type of information on our app, so that's why we added this get direction button here, and also this icon that how many kilometers far away this is, and they can check the location in our app. They don't have to go to Google Maps. We provide this feature here. And also we provide the chat icon, so they can directly chat with that vet and that hospital, and they can ask the questions there. So next I will pass through the Karthik. Thank you.
Hi, this is we are spreading the light on the team members, team lead Mashur, and Karthik's me, and Shaurav, Adila, Sulbi, and Tejveer. Now the moment is here again, guys. Any questions?